How to unread a message on Facebook Messenger app. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily mark an message unread. So let's see how you can do it. First thing first, you want to open your Facebook Messenger app. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. On that note, let's get started. First thing first, you want to choose the message that you want to mark as unread. So let's see, I have gotten this message just now, so let's see how you can mark it as unread. So the first thing you want to do is tap and hold on the icon, and if you scroll down a bit you will see this message that says mark as unread. And as you can see, the message has been highlighted, indicating that it has not been read yet. So if you just open it again and hold and press on this chat, then we tap on mark as unread, then it will again make this message unread. And that's how you can unread a message on Messenger. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next one.